Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Hitakshi and a very happy Diwali to you guys. I'm so excited to unbox this Apple Watch Series 5 on this such an auspicious day. I have done an unboxing video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max too, but I was very much excited to check out the Apple Watch. This is the 40mm silver aluminum case with the white sport band. And in addition to this, the Apple has also launched the titanium and the ceramic versions of it. If you have them, please comment down below and let me know how they look. And before we get into the unboxing, I'm gonna shoot some part of this video on this iPhone 11 Pro Max so that we can get a better view of it. So let's get into the unboxing. So let's open it up. Here it is. Yes, I'm going opening it. Wow, it's so amazing. I'm loving it. Here we get the flaps over here. Whoa. Wow. Wow, it was such an experience. Wow, it looks so cool. I want to do it again. How was it? It was like this. No, it was like this. It was like this. And then we open it up like this. Wow, it's so cool. I'm loving it. So, here are the flaps. It looks so cool. We have all the Apple Watch bands over here. I'm so excited. I'm gonna save it for later. Let's keep it aside. The Apple Watch is at the top and the Apple Watch band is at the bottom. I'm loving it so much. And what is more exciting this year is that we get Apple Watch Studio, in which you can fully customize the Apple Watch band with the Apple Watch, and you can get in-person experience or an online, and you can fully get the Apple Watch band that you want with the Apple Watch, and you're not suddenly limited with the certain watch band. I was kind of loving it when the Apple Watch Studio was launched, but I did not change my Apple Watch band and I let it remain white because it was kind of looking very good. But that does not mean that I'm just having this Apple Watch band. I'm gonna buy a lot of Apple Watch bands, and a haul of the Apple Watch bands is gonna come up soon. So let's open that up. So let's open the box first and then the Apple Watch band. So here we go. Wow. What a cute little protector. It is so cute. The dusty protector matches the watch so cool. Here we go. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I'm in so love with it. So let's check out the box more. Here is the manual. Here is the 5-watt charging brick. And here is the magnetic charging cable. We can fit our watches over here and it fits so perfectly. I'm just gonna love charging my watch so much. So let's check out the Apple Watch band because I was so excited about it. So let's keep them aside. So here we go. Where is it? Here. Here are the bands. They look so fresh, so freaking fresh. This watch is not only a smartwatch but more than a smartwatch. It does all your work. The two important and precious factors are the time and health in human being. This watch helps you to track both of them very much precisely. I'm yet to test it out. Then when I'll do it, I'll do a review of this video. The highlight of this watch, is it's always on display. I haven't switched it on, is another one thing, but this watch is actually always on all the time. So we pretty much get the same battery life after it being always on. So that's kind of very cool. You can see the time and the watch face when you're working out, when you're in a meeting, and especially when you're getting bored in your meeting. So that's pretty cool. Here's the digital crown, the microphone, the power button, and the two speakers. These two speakers are the same as in the last year, not much change in it. So in the back of the watch, we have the sapphire crystal and ceramic mixed in it, so it's also good. So let's sync this watch with the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm gonna turn this on. Here we go, it started. So it's pretty cool that it got started. Just open the watch app from your iPhone and it says start pairing over here. So let's do it. You have to keep your phone in front of the watch do it like this and then it will get paired automatically. So here we go, start pairing. I'm gonna keep it like this. Yo, here we go. It got started. Set up Apple Watch. Put it on my left wrist. It may take a while because it's syncing with my phone, so that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna love using this. I'm enabling this emergency SOS feature which is being added lately in this new Apple Watch, in which you can call internationally if you have cellular enabled in cases of emergency. So let's get ahead with it. I'm going to continue and I'm gonna set this up. Now the Apple Watch is being syncing, so it may take a while to get synced. So this watch is all set up and the unboxing is done. Thank you guys for watching, and the full review of this watch and the iPhone 11 Pro Max review is coming up soon. Please stay updated for that. Please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below how you liked it. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.